SQ3R. So, ano tong SQ3R? Ito daw learning technique. Kung saan yung S, survey, titignan mo muna. Q, nagpo-formulate ka ng question. Yung tatlong R is read, recite, and review. So, ibig sabihin, pag binabasa mo, kaya mo siyang sabihin in your own words. Kaya mo siyang intindihin in your own understanding, and then syempre kaya mong i-review o kaya mong ulitin kung ano yung natutunan mo. So yun yung learning technique, SQ3R na yan. So learning technique pala yan. So napag-aralan namin to nung college yung SQ3R. So parang review. Review lang talaga to. So maganda't nalalaman natin yan. Yung SQ3R na yan as a learning technique. So, yun lang po.